Hello everyone, my name is Joyce and I'll teach you how to build a business. Have you ever wondered what it takes to create a successful business? On my course, you will explore how to become an entrepreneur. Like J.K. Rowling, the author and creator of Harry Potter, or Sir Richard Branson, who owns over 400 companies, or the late Steve Jobs, who is the creator of the Apple brand. Like Mark Zuckerberg, creator of Facebook, you don't have to be old to start a business. But it isn't enough to have an excellent business idea. You need to turn it into reality. On my course, I will teach you how to research people's buying behaviors and use creativity and logic to come up with your unique selling point. You will learn steps in creating a business plan, which you will present at the end of the week to a panel of judges made up of your classmates. You'll learn this and so much more on my course. My name is Joyce, and I'm your teacher for Build a Business.